If you're selling your home, you have options outside of the traditional selling path. Traditional sales can be uncertain, time consuming, require showings, home prep, and waiting on buyers who may or may not close. But with our cash offer solutions, you have speed, certainty, and convenience. So no showings, no home prep, and cash in hand when you want it or need it. Today, I'm going to walk you through our cash offer options so that you can move on your time frame and never fear missing out on your next home. So let's dive in. First up, our straight cash offers. Most homes get 3 or 4 of these, and these are the fastest and easiest way to sell. They typically do come with a lower profit than our other options that I'll talk about here shortly. However, if you need to sell quickly and without hassle, this is your go-to option. Cash in hand, no repairs, no waiting. Next up are 2-part cash offer sales. These are the best option for those who want full market value while still getting cash up front. They're great if you need funds by a certain date, but want to avoid the stress of the full listing process. You get a cash advance now, then your home sells for top dollar later after you're long gone. There is an option even to stay in your home for up to 6 months after you cash out. Next, buy before you sell. If you want to flip-flop the traditional process, purchase your new home first, move in on your time frame, and then sell your home as a fully staged, beautiful home without any hassle, we have that option too. So move first, sell later. You even get a guaranteed market value offer on your home with this option. Next up, we have our Flip Your Own Home program. These are cash offers that allow you to put money into your home that doesn't come out of your pocket. So you can find little fixes here and there or full renovations, as small or big as you want to go, that are not funded out of your pocket. You get a cash offer on your home that's based on the after renovation value. You move out, the renovations are done, the home sells for its full market value post renovation, and you keep the rest of the profit. Lastly, we have our Moving in a Month program. This is where we use all these different cash offers as leverage to get you the best price. This is our traditional selling model, and having these real cash offers in hand pushes buyers to offer more. It's the smartest way to maximize your value, and it also guarantees that your home sells in 30 days or less. So which option works for you? With these cash offer solutions, you get a guaranteed sale, you get access to your equity on demand, and you get to skip all the hassles of a traditional listing. So contact us today. Let's have a conversation about what might be the right fit for you.